Bellevue. It's very nice here, guys.
Yeah.
Look. It's Bellevue Resort in
We're going right over here.
Yeah, where I eat.
Where you eat? Over here.
There?
Right over here.
I see.
It's very, very nice.
Yeah. It's very nice.
Very, very nice.
Yeah.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello.